Hi friends, future of over 20,000 teachers uncertain in TET case. The next hearing in the Honorable Supreme Court is on November 19. The late front government after the High Court verdict in 2018 election when the 10,323 teachers were dismissed, the BJP has assured them that they would be reinstated if they come to power. After the BJP come to power, instead of being reinstated, the dismissed teachers were practically subjected to the state tourism. Since then, the people of the state have been witnessing a processing of death of dismissed teachers due to frustration, anger, pride, and starvation. In such a dire situation, the fate of about 20,000 more teachers in the state is now in extremely uncertainty. On July 16, 2024, the Tripura High Court in Sajal Dev versus Tripura, the government's case was decided that there is no need for CTET or TTET for regularization for all teachers in Sarva Shiksha. But the state government filed a case in the Honorable Supreme Court against the High Court's verdict through an SLP on 29 September 2024. Later in September this year, in the case of regularization of regular teachers in Tamil Nadu, the Supreme Court verdict stated that all teachers who have been in service for more than 5 years and 1 day will have to pass TET within the next 2 years by 1st September 2027 to continue their service. If they cannot pass TET, they will have to retire voluntarily. Interesting. The issue is that on Monday, in the Sajal Dev versus Tripura government SLP case, the Tripura government made a strong appeal in the Honorable Supreme Court that the verdict given in the case of Tamil Nadu be implemented in the case of Tripura as well. That is, it is mandatory for all teachers in basic education from class 1 to class 8 to take exam if they are up to 50 years of age. If they failed to pass this exam within 2 years, they will be effectively dismissed from their jobs. If this is the case, in the end, more than 20,000 teachers in both the government and the private sector in Tripura will be dismissed from their jobs. When the case was heard by the division bench of the Honorable Supreme Court today, the judges said, he expressed the opinion that it is necessary to listen more thoroughly. Then the next hearing of the case was fixed for November 19. It is owed nothing that various state governments, including Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and others, have already filed a review petition in the Honorable Supreme Court to exempt those who have teaching for a long time without passing in the TET exam from the TET exam. In such an annual situation, why is the Tripura government taking the TET exam mandatory and requesting that the verdict given in the case of Tamil Nadu be upheld the case of Tripura as well? This has raised a big question among the teachers community. Standing a council of Tripura, Subhadeep Roy is fighting this case on behalf of the state government in the division bench of Justice Honorable Justice Deepankar Dotto and Augustine Judge of the Honorable Supreme Court, and Salman Khurshid, Samik Dev, and Abir Burman are fighting the case on behalf of the teachers. Thank you. Please comment all.